3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
So guys, do you guys mind giving a little bit of an introduction to yourself, where you guys are located, your guys' facility name, and things like that?
Great. I'm Dr. Carlson, and I'm Dr. Kimberly Otis, and we both are physicians and co-owners of Restore Hyper Wellness in Kirkland.
Nice, nice. So how long have you guys been open for in that particular location?
We opened in February of 2020.
So how has it been so far, as an overall perspective for the business?
Overall, it's been very interesting, having to do with the time that we opened. Literally 2 weeks before the pandemic, the first case of COVID being in the city that we opened in.
Yeah.
So, but aside from that, it's been great. After a few rough months to start, it's all good.
Yeah, I gotcha. So before we met, came and done anything with you guys, were you guys doing any type of marketing, anything beforehand for you guys' store to get some new people in the door?
No, we were not.
No, I gotcha. Was it just mainly I know COVID hit, but during that time or anything after, before we met, or right before we met, were you guys just kind of just word of mouth and kind of just playing it as close to the hip as possible?
Yes.
Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah, so I think we've been working together for, I believe, about a year now. Just about, I believe, 9 months to a year. I know we did, I think, 2 of your guys' anniversaries, 6 months and then 1 year. And then now your guys' biggest achievement, which was this month, which is really awesome. So I think just about 9 months to a year. And with us, did you guys have any expectations coming into working with us, at Social Marketing 180?
No, we didn't really know what we were getting ourselves into.
Yeah.
Highly recommended, and we finally felt like we were pulling ourselves a little bit out of the financial black hole we were in, and we could take the leap and have our first meeting with you. So our first event was, amazing. Yeah, we were very shocked at how successful our first 6-month anniversary was.
Yeah, kind of.
We did so much of that to social media.
Nice. I love it. So, as an overall, how has your experience been with us so far? If you were just 1 to 10, just overall experience, how has it been so far with you guys in our company?
We had a great experience. We didn't know what we were getting into, and I was in terms of exceeding expectations. I thought, we're gonna have some ads on Facebook. I didn't realize really the integration that Social Media 180 actually offers with our business very personally, the connections with some of the different clients that we have. So that was above and beyond what I had expected to have happen.
Gotcha.
We're giving you above a 10.
Above a 10? I'll take it. Okay. And I know we do a pretty good amount for you guys. We do the lead gen, the follow-up, the sales trainings, everything, the reactivations. What has been the service that you guys have enjoyed the most about what we provide with you guys?
Yeah, 100% getting people in our door. It's been fantastic to see our mind-body software on a daily basis, hourly basis, having people schedule, and you're doing all of that for us. And it just increases the energy and vibration within our store, and our staff is super excited. Be like, oh my gosh, we got another person. And to just start the weekend off is to have a full schedule is phenomenal.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, cool. And for you guys, how has the weekly calls been? Because I know we started to implement that, I believe 2 months ago, making sure that we're always on top of it, making sure that we're always doing calls with you guys. How has that experience been with you guys so far?
It's been really helpful. You have always been very responsive, so that also has been very helpful. If we needed to change something, or you had a suggestion that you wanted to offer to us, being on top of that every week makes for more efficiency and for more people coming in for. Yeah, and the organization of what ads to run, and when we do a reactivation campaign, and when we're focusing on new clients, your guidance and your staff's guidance and expertise in that has been really helpful.
Gotcha. Absolutely. Okay. And from those weekly calls, is there anything that you would like to see more from us that we can improve on from those weekly calls with you guys?
Continuation of suggestions about some new offerings or new ideas that, again, was kind of maybe bring in another subset of the population that haven't been in here before.
Gotcha. Okay, yeah.
Trying to attract a new clients.
Absolutely, yeah. So the cool thing is we've actually implemented that. So we're working on that right now to kind of do, so we're going to be calling that like a higher level call, I guess. So kind of like strategizing on other forms of marketing or just targeting a completely different audience. With us, was there anything that kind of surprised you about what we do?
Yes, I would say like day of, whenever anybody, either had a no-show or we needed to reschedule, we would just text you guys and you were on it to make those adjustments for us. Like when it's so busy, we can't focus and do that. That was extremely helpful. And yeah, I think we were both like, wow, that was part of the service.
Yeah, I got you, absolutely. Well, the cool thing is this month really surprised us with your guys' like biggest month. You guys actually tied, I went to go double check it, you guys did tie the most bookings in 1 month period. I think it was about 128 bookings in total. So which is really cool. And that's not including like +1. So if anybody did any +1s, that's excluding that. So they're just straight bookings as a direct result from like the reactivations, the actual ads, everything like that. You guys definitely tied that, which is pretty huge. Pretty dang huge. So we're super pumped. We're super excited you guys got a good result. And the last question, guys. If another location, whether that be like a store or just another cryotherapy location out there, if they don't directly compete with you guys, would you recommend them to work with us?
Absolutely. And we have recommended to other more.
Yes.
I love it. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, every time somebody calls and asks us what we did, the first thing out of our mouth is we hired Social Media 180.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Here we go.